Now, there's actually a few different ways the average person can trade. They can physically trade being a Forex analyst, or they can use artificial intelligence. Artificial intelligence, or AI trading, is actually something that's going to be very, very popular, or if it isn't already. AI actually uses trading, takes trading to a whole nother level. Robots, using robots. Robots do not get tired. Robots can operate longer than humans. Also, robots do not have a fear of missing out on any type of emotions that can be played, or that can be played in the average person's emotional mind state while trying to actually physically trade Forex. Why wouldn't you want to use AI trading or automated trading? The fact of the matter is you can be trading 24/7, have no human emotion involved in it, and it'll keep you in the game at all times.